What's going on, guys? Super excited for today's video because we're finally going to be doing an interior upgrade this truck has needed since day one, and this is all thanks to a subscriber of mine, Justin Ledbetter. He sent me out this to replace on the Duramax, and I'm extremely thankful for it because, like I said, this truck has needed it desperately. So let's go ahead, hop up in here. I'm sure a lot of y'all can guess. The freaking steering wheel on this thing is so clapped out. We've got tape holding it on. It's literally ripped halfway down. This is something you touch all the time. We can't have it like this. It's super annoying, feels terrible. But thankfully, thanks to Justin once again, we have a nearly brand new looking one that we're gonna be slapping in today. Look at this. Look at this. I mean, it looks brand freaking new. I think there is new buttons in it because they're like perfect. There's no flaws at all. So probably going to be new buttons, which you can replace the buttons themselves if they're like mine, which are all worn out. But it is kind of tricky because there's such tension on the wires to get this out and the new one in. It's pretty difficult, as well as obviously we got to replace our whole wheel because it's just clapped out. I'm stoked for this. So today I'm going to show you how to swap out your steering wheel in your 03 to 07 GM products. First thing you're going to do is disconnect your batteries so you don't accidentally delete yourself. Now that we've disconnected power, we can go ahead and pull our airbag out. On each side, there's a little hole. Just take you a slim tool, push it in there, and that should pop your airbag free. Just pull it a little bit. Out it comes. Wow, it is dirty underneath there. So now, just pinch on each side of this cable. There she is. We're gonna set this landmine aside. Now that we get our airbag out of the way, we gotta disconnect this guy, which it's got a little Christmas tree holding it on. So get you a pry and I'll pop it up. And then on each side, maybe just this top side, peel this up. Yeah, just top side. Wiggle that free. And then our horn, push in, twist to the left, I do believe. And it pops free. So we've got all of our wires disconnected. We're gonna make sure these are extremely loose when we go to pop the steering wheel off because we don't want to accidentally tear them. This ain't the glamorous part, but there's a 21 mil holding this on. You're just gonna have to manhandle it off of there. Somehow, some way, by yourself. Like that. All right, now you do wanna leave it on a little bit so you don't hit yourself in the face and rip your wires. And now even more manhandling. Probably a good time to get angry, think of something, and then just go to town on this thing. It is. Just like that. And leaving the bolt on, or the nut, you don't risk of this yanking out, hitting yourself, and ripping these wires. So let's carefully slide this baby off. Oh wow, that is gross. So let's clean that up real quick. Once again, using my Safelite glass cleaner for everything because it smells freaking amazing. Gotta do the jump method without the steering wheel in this thing, dadgum. Run our wires through. Place this bad boy on there. Just line it up just like it was. And we are going to throw a little bit of Loctite on here because I don't know about y'all, but I would prefer it not to come loose going down the road. So we're going to throw a little Loctite on the threads. Hold this best I can with my legs and bear down on it. Alright, that should be good. Let's go ahead, plug in our wires. I'm officially sweating like a hog out here in the sun. It is brutal. take our horn or clock spring or whatever you want to call this, push it in there. All the way down. Turn to the right. Locked into place. Time for the scary part that shouldn't be scary because, I mean, we have no power, but also a little bit scary. And now we should ease this back into place. Just like that. Holy crap, that looks and feels amazing. I am stoked on that. Now we got to hook our batteries up, not in front of this, turn the key on in case it wants to explode, and make sure all of our buttons work. Let's go ahead and give it some power. Beautiful, beautiful. Yes, everything.
OnStar ready.
Cancel.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Finally, no more electric tape and ripped up leather. This is so freaking nice. I am stoked. Well, I don't know about y'all, but I am freaking stoked. Hopefully this video will help y'all install your steering wheels on your 03 to 07 GM products. And once again, another huge shout out to Justin. He sent me this a while back and I'm just now getting around to installing it, but I am very appreciative for him to send this out to me. I tried to find his Instagram just now because he has two really sweet trucks, both GMT 800, 2500 GMC, and 1500 GMC, both white, look extremely clean. If I can find his Instagram, I will throw up the pics here, but I'm not having any luck. I don't know if he deleted it or whatnot, but yeah, huge shout out to Justin. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Comment down below, let me know. I'll see y'all in the next video.